Welcome to the Hobby Lobby Creative Studio. I'm Tara, and today I'm going to show you how to make coasters using fun and trendy fabrics from Hobby Lobby. There are so many prints to choose from, so pick your favorites and let's get started. For each coaster, you'll need two 5-inch fabric squares, one for the front and another for the back. Just for the fun of it, try using a couple different fabric prints. You'll also need a piece of fusible fleece for each coaster, cut to 4 3/4 inches. Iron the fusible fleece to the wrong side of one of your 5-inch squares, making sure the rough side, or adhesive side, is touching the fabric. Now, put the two fabric squares right sides together and pin to secure. Next, it's time to sew. Begin off-center on one edge and sew a 1/2-inch seam all the way around. When you reach a corner, keep your needle down in the fabric. Raise the presser foot and rotate the fabric to continue. This will give you a clean, sharp corner. When you get back to the edge you started on, leave an opening about 2 inches wide and finish with the back stitch. With the sewing done, you'll want to clip the corners to remove unnecessary bulk. This helps get finished corners that are nice and crisp. Now, turn your coaster right side out and use a pointed object to push out each corner. Fold in the open seam to match the sewn seam and give it all a press. Use a little quick-dry fabric glue on the opening, keeping it away from the edge so that it doesn't seep out when you close the seam. The last thing is gluing on some trim, and you can't go wrong with mini pom-poms. Work in sections, using clips like these to secure the trim as you go. This glue dries pretty fast, which means you'll be able to remove those clips in no time and start enjoying your new coasters. And that's it! Thanks for visiting the Hobby Lobby Creative Studio. Be sure to check out all the fabrics available at Hobby Lobby, both in-store and online. I'll see you next time!